package time. So got a little package here from MP Magic Socks. Yeah, we're gonna do a sock vid. And I haven't seen what's in here yet. They did reach out to me and asked me to, if I would test out some socks. Of course, I always need a good pair of socks. Yeah. But actually these things say they're odorless socks infused with silver, copper, zinc, all those type of things, right? That would make your socks odorless. I don't know. So let's just see what we got. Ooh, I want to cut their inner package there. What we got, what we came up with here, what they sent me. Alright, let's take a look at what they sent. First up, Magic Premium, antibacterial, of course. These are meant to be a little bit tighter, help reduce if you're having problems with swelling and such. And, maybe you just want that tighter sock. Nice material here. It says it's made out of Japanese cotton. Okay. And you can see, just compared to the one next to it, it's a little bit thinner, a little bit narrower, but feels nice. Then, this apparently is one of their best sellers right here. The classic MP Crew antibacterial, made out of those, I guess it has the 3 different metals woven into it, like I was talking about earlier. Keep that odorless feature going. These are nice because, you could use this every day, even in a business setting, with this type of top right here. And these are designed a little more loose, so they're not a tight fit, strangling your feet all day. Then, ooh, I like these. Some athletic socks. These are looks like the Crew from their website. I think they even have one that's a little bit lower. This is called their ankle cut, but you can see it has where you need that compression in those areas. Like say you're going to use this for a running sock or whatever. Nice. Nice, nice. Construction looks good. I like that top on those. Alright, I'll post up their link down below, but just want to show this. Free shipping worldwide on orders over $35. 100% satisfaction guarantee. 24/7 customer service support. Go on their website, look around, and I can just tell you, a lot of people like myself, I want to feel the sock before I buy a pack, even at Walmart. Take a look at it, and the quality on these, it's good. I like it. Can't do a long-term test right now, but I will definitely update you if I'm going to reorder this type of stuff. But they're nice.